Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quarantine get ready with me, even though I have nowhere to go because we can't really go anywhere yet. So I'm starting off with my brows today. I'm using this Maybelline brow pencil, which is my favorite of all time. And this, I actually kind of like it a little bit better than the Anastasia brow pencil. Can you believe that? No, I can. Next, I'm moving on to concealing my brows with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Deep and it's very close to my skin tone, which I really do love. So I'm going a little bit below, putting that on my lid, and then going on top of the brow with whatever is left on the brush. I'm moving on to priming my face with Benefit Porefessional. This was actually my first time using this and I think I really liked it. And I used it along with this Loreal Infallible foundation in the shade 525. And this foundation, it feels very light on the skin, but it still gives you great coverage. Like it just feels really comfortable, and it's great for those that don't like that heavy feel. So you can wear this and it feels like you're barely wearing anything on your skin. Next, I'm going to conceal with my Milani Conceal Perfect Concealer, favorite concealer of all time. And then I started to use this brush that I got in, I believe it was either my BoxyCharm or my Ipsy, and I do not like this brush at all. It feels very scratchy. I mean, it does get into those like nice crevices, but it was a no for me. So I just used my beauty blender. And then I'm gonna set everything with my Everyday Vacay powder from Ciate London, which is my favorite at the moment. I'm using some Covergirl Full Spectrum foundation powder on the areas that I did not set my face. And this adds just a little bit of like a lighter coverage, nothing too heavy. I'm looking a little bit flat, so I'm going to use some bronzer. This is also Covergirl Full Spectrum bronzer, which is my favorite. I feel like I'm using a lot of my favorites in this video. But this bronzer is like the best bronzer. It's not too cool, it's not too warm, it is just right for my skin tone. I really do love it. You guys should go pick it up because it's really that good, and they have different shades as well. Next, I am applying some Diamond Glow powder from Artist Couture in the shade Illuminati. And I wanted just something like nothing that's not too blinged out on my face. And I just blended it out with my sponge to make it look seamless. Applying some blush from Pretty Vulgar. And this is a very pink blush, but it looks so good. This is in the shade Make Them Blush. It looks so great on my skin tone. I'm using my Hank & Henry liquid eyeliner pen, and this is actually one of my favorites as well. This is just a full face of favorites, I guess. Who knew? Only me. Applying some mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex, and then applying some lashes, and then doing some lips. This is the Kat Von D liquid lipstick, and I think this is Vampira. I'm not sure. I will leave it in the description box below. And we have come to the end. I'm just gonna spray my face with some Morphe Prep and Set, and this is the finished look. I really hope you guys like this. Please comment, rate, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.